prokaryotic cell versus eukaryotic cell.
My dear students, today I shall take up the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. है ना? So you can see the first difference is cells are small in size and simpler in structure. While in case of eukaryotic cell, the cells are large in size and complex in structure. ठीक है? और it is clear. Now you can see here the nucleus is found in place of nucleus. Since there is a lack of nuclear membrane, therefore it is referred to as the nucleoidal or genophore. So it is simply circular DNA. It is treated as chromosome. So it is there, that is called nucleoid. Here it is a proper membrane bound nucleus is formed in case of eukaryotic cell. The third point is proper chromosome is not formed, but a circular DNA is, as I told you earlier, is treated as a single chromosome. Circular DNA is regarded as a chromosome, so-called chromosome only one. Okay. While here the proper chromosome is found and in which the DNA is with straight protein and RNA is a little bit are formed. Okay. So it is clear. And the fourth point is cell organelles are not found except the ribosomes. While in case of all the major and minor cell organelles are found, including the ribosome. But the ribosome is here it is of 70S type. Yani S referred to as sedimentation coefficient. Yani speed at which it sediment at the base, because it is lighter as compared to ATS. Here the two parts is there. In ribosome, bigger part, bigger unit or smaller unit. So together it is known as 70S. And here the ribosomes are of 80S, 60 plus 40. Yani, here it is 40 plus 50 plus 30. Yani, if you separated the unit, its speed become faster. But when you combine these together, it is 60 plus 40S. Yani bigger is 60 and smaller is 40. Together is the 80S. Because suppose there are two brothers. One is Bujar and another is smaller brother. When they are together, they speed at a slower rate because he has to look after the smaller brother also. But when it is independent, it's moved at an independent speed. That's the logic why we call it as 60 plus 40, and when we combine it, it becomes 80S. Similarly, here it is 50 plus 30. Yani, when we combine it, it is 70S. Okay? That's it. It is clear later on. And the sixth point is only amitosis take place. Only amitosis type of cell division take place in case of prokaryotic cell. While here it is mitosis as well as meiosis types of cell division take place in eukaryotic cell. And mitosis is also known as rad cell division, and mitosis is also known as equational cell division, and meiosis is known as reductional cell division, as the nature of as the chromosome is reduced to half. Okay. So last but not least, it is found in bacteria. Bacteria and cyanobacteria. Earlier it was known as blue-green algae. Now it is after Whitaker, all the prokaryotes is under the Monera. So it become cyanobacteria. Though it is blue-green in color, photosynthetic, but since it being prokaryotic, it is included under the kingdom Monera. So here is bacteria and cyanobacteria is an example. While here it is found in all hard plants and animals. Okay. So these are the 7 differences. You can add many more. So suppose you can add the cell wall content. In case of plant it is cell wall, or in case of bacteria it is made of peptidoglycan. Or another point is you can some mitochondria like a structure. It is mitochondria is present as a cell organelle, but here the enfolding of the membrane is called as mesosome. It is act as a where the enzymes of aspiration is there. That is the difference. So this is you can add many more points. You can see the book. There are. So that's all.